How to use TikTok Live Studio. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you land to your profile page, here you're going to find this option of TikTok Studio. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different options. Scroll all the way down. Now here you're going to find trending creations as well as recommended creations. You can click on the option of start creating. Likewise, click on the option of live. You can click on go live. Once you start the live, enter a catchy title and a brief description for your live stream. Choose a relevant category that best fits your content. Adjust the resolution, bitrate, and frame rate to suit your internet speed and desired video quality. Select your microphone and configure the audio levels. If you want to share your screen, select the screen capture option and choose the window or screen you want to share. Enhance your live stream with overlays, text, images, and widgets. Customize the layout to make your stream visually appealing and engaging. Connect any external cameras or microphones to improve the quality of a stream. Ensure all devices are properly configured in the settings. Interact with your audience through the chat feature and respond to comments in real time. Keep an eye on the stream health indicators to ensure a smooth broadcast. Make adjustments as needed to maintain the quality of your stream. When you are ready to end your live session, click on In Stream button. TikTok Live Studio will save the stream details and provide analytics on your broadcast performance. This way you can use TikTok Live Studio. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.